This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson. Prepare to be impressed by this meticulously maintained property, which is on trend with designer finishes, recent renovations and numerous upgrades seen throughout. Lovely kitchen has loads of storage with custom-built cabinets, marble countertops, tile backsplash, farmhouse-style sink, pantry with pullouts, views of the lake and easy access to the screened-in pool. Beautiful primary suite is on the second floor, with attractive step-in shower, separate tub, dual sinks and a big walk-in closet with organizers. Other upgrades include plantation shutters, wood-style stairs, no carpet, generator plug-in, solar heat for the pool, fenced-in backyard and paver driveway. Ideally situated on an oversized lakefront lot, cul-de-sac and quiet street in desirable gated Melear, which has low HOA fees. Live close to it all: shopping, highways, schools and more. Trucks and pets welcome. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson at 772-485-2216.